Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rahina Nugrahani from Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. It's such an honor for me to be able to present my research study entitled Interaction of Visual Arts Learning in Virtual Community. In cyber learning, interaction becomes one of the features that determine to learn success. Cyber learning experts stated that this condition creates a culture of reflection in learning. In visual arts learning, the learning process of new knowledge and skill is closely related to the demands of the industry. Millennials in general are born as flexible, adaptive, and independent learners. Thus, they do not always place themselves in a formal academic institution to gain knowledge, but prefer a community that can accommodate their interest in obtaining information that support their skills and knowledge. The need to increase the visual arts knowledge and skills of millennials through non-formal learning initiated by virtual community has increased significantly. In Indonesia, various virtual communities with specific positioning offer a new learning environment that takes place in a virtual space. Virtual learning spaces certainly provide a learning experience that is different from conventional learning. This study focuses on the pattern of learning interaction that takes place in a virtual community in Indonesia that specifically produce visual artworks. The discovery of this study is expected to provide insight into how non-formal learning activities in virtual space can be run effectively. This study is a qualitative research designed using a cultural approach. Operationally, this research focuses on regularity. Using virtual ethnography as a research method, this study involved 24 informants consisting of founders, members, and learning instructors of the Hijabography community, a pioneer virtual community in Indonesia. Data collection was carried out in three ways that are: first, observation of learning activities that took place in the virtual community; second, in-depth interviews involving 24 informants; and the third, tracking of learning documents used in the virtual community. As I've stated before, Komunitas Hijabografik is one of Muslimah virtual community established in 2013. Up until today, they already have 37,600 followers in Instagram, and they gain 500 community members across Indonesia. As a virtual community, they are very productive in creating visual artworks. Until today, they already produce 2,000 visual artworks. That's why Komunitas Hijabografik is one of the legendary pioneer of virtual community in Indonesia. Based on the result of observation and in-depth interviews conducted during the research process, it can be seen that the Hijabography community creates a dynamic learning environment by utilizing all the features provided by Instagram, so that the learning activities organized can encourage experimentation, collaborative artworks, and active participation of members to share ideas and thought. In the Hijabography community, social presence and solidarity between members is one of the important foundations in creating a virtual learning space. Social presence includes the participation of members and followers of the Hijabography community in various activities held both online and offline. Their participation is not only seen in activities related to learning in the form of workshops or discussion, but also in social activities such as charity initiated by the Hijabographic community. Learning interaction in the Hijabographic community are summarized in three types of interaction. Adapting from the type of learning interaction proposed by Zakaris 2009, which consists of the interaction of learning participants with content, learning participant interaction with the instructor, and interaction between learning participants. The interaction of learning participants with learning content in the Hijabography community is closely related to the availability of alternative technology-based learning media such as electronic modules, video tutorials, and podcasts. Various learning media are available and published through Instagram Hijabographic accounts and learning tutors accounts. To make learning content effective as a learning media, participants should have the skills to extract information provided by tutors from the Hijabography community and conduct more exploration through art creation activities independently. Extracting information in this case is the ability to understand the techniques and media used by the instructor and then follow the steps that have been taught by the instructor or try to find their own way of producing works with the same or different techniques and media. In the hijabography community, the interaction between learning participants and instructor is facilitated through the use of social media, such as online chat, either through the comments on Instagram, direct message, and the Ask Me Question feature. Some learning participants who have more intense interaction with instructors can continue discussion through instant messaging, such as WhatsApp. In the learning process, the interaction between learning participants and instructor is generated through two types of activities, online and offline activities. In online activities, instructors usually initiate to open online discussion forums with community members or followers on Instagram regarding some certain issues. When members or followers of the hijabography community attend workshops with certain themes or content, they will automatically connect with instructors and other learning participants via Instagram. This interaction will usually continue even though the workshop activities have ended. The familiar and informal style communication becomes one of the factors that close the gap between the learning participants and the instructors. Although instructors are professional in the visual arts industry who are quite famous in social media, but as instructors they show a very humble character and they do not hesitate to appreciate the artworks of participants. Based on the result of online interviews conducted by research with members of the hijabography community who are actively involved in various activities held online and offline, it is known that one aspect that strengthens the interaction between learning participants in the hijabography community is the existence of emotional bonding that are established through their friendship. As stated by Wagner and Leymester in 2012 and Porter in 2006, that the sustainability and success of virtual community in carrying out learning activities are highly dependent on the strength of participant motivation to achieve common goals that can help build social bonds between learning participants. Interaction via social media conducted by learning participants in the hijabography community increases their ability to be more expressive and at the same time also increases their ability in terms of appreciation. Learning participants seems more motivated to appreciate the result of visual arts among learning participants, giving input or sharing new techniques in the work. Interaction between participants who are bound by the same goals and interests has led the hijabography community to become one of the most productive virtual community in creating various collaborative visual artworks. And finally, through these three interaction patterns, a cyber-based art learning model can be formulated in a virtual community. Through this research, it is known that the use of technology with a digital platform becomes a means of supporting the continuity of visual art learning in the virtual community, which offers a pattern of learning interaction and socio-cultural values that are completely different from conventional learning patterns. Instagram as a media has provided opportunities for learning participants to find a virtual learning space that is comfortable and suitable to the physiological and behavioristic aspect as a part of network society. It's such a pleasure for me to be able to present my research result. Thank you for your attention.